Completed in 1906, the McFaddin-Ward House has more than 24 rooms spread over 3 floors. The butler's pantry sits at the back of the home between the dining room and the kitchen. In contrast to the public rooms, decor in the butler's pantry is simple, reflecting its role as a private workspace used for storage, preparation, and supporting parties and entertaining, where practicality and ease of cleaning were essential. In 1912, the butler's pantry was remodeled to give direct access to the breakfast room and provide more storage space for tableware. Original architect Henry Conrad Maurer designed the remodel and specified that opalite be used for the wall and that the dish cabinets be built of either red gum or magnolia wood and painted white. The remodel expanded the butler's pantry by taking out the original kitchen pantry and freight elevator or dumbwaiter and installing a vestibule linking the breakfast room to the kitchen. It also included building and altering the cabinetry. In 1948, a Shepherd Home Life elevator was installed in the vestibule, taking a portion of the east end of the butler's pantry and upstairs hallway between the north and primary bedrooms. Practical features for this room include built-in cabinets, a radiator for warming plates, a drop-leaf shelf, an ice delivery door, a sink with a central cistern faucet, and swinging doors that open to the kitchen, dining room, and breakfast room. A beautiful art glass window can be found on the west wall above the sink. Today, the butler's pantry cabinets display gorgeous pieces for the museum's extensive collection of tableware once owned by the McFaddin family. Schedule an admission-free tour of the historic McFaddin-Ward House Museum to see the fascinating features of the butler's pantry in person.